Happy New Year. Latest purchase off Amazon. A plain slot electrical multifunctional tester. Needed one for pat testing and checking electrics, so let's go for it. You know, the prices vary astronomically, go up to like £15–17, and for the amount of times I'm going to use it, let's have a look at one that's £6.63. So I've got the Draper, and this is the chap that came. Yeah, 135mm, standard slot 4mm screwdriver tip, galvanised, and it's nice and strong, steady piece of kit. It's got the old pocket clip on it. I'm not a big fan of those, I won't use that. Is it liable to snap off? It might be if you, after a couple of years, I don't know, but I don't use them. And I just use it for earth testing when I'm pat testing. So you can see the lights up, holding the earth pin of a plug if you're struggling to find the earth root, and then with the finger on the end just tapping the exposed metal to find an earth root to do your pat testing, and that's what I use it for. But like I say, it detects breaks in cables apparently, and microwave leakages, and it's a good strong slot for your standard plug checks and fuse checks. So yeah, for what it is, £6.63. Go for it, you know what I mean? Who wants one for 17 quid when this one does the trick? So Draper, yeah, 4mm plain slot multifunctional tester, £6.63 on Amazon, so recommended. Now, good New Year, happy pat testing if you're doing any. See you next time.